So hi guys, welcome to my channel Technology Tech. I am a new YouTuber in YouTube and I have started channel of Technologies Tech because I like technology. So today I am going to tell about how to make your own channel art banner on Google Slides like this. I have also made this by my own. So let's start. First of all, we will name it as YouTube art channel. So it will be saved in my drive. So now the length the length of the banner is that you have to do thing. We will go to channel customization. Now branding. Then see, you have an option to change or remove. For the best results on all devices, use an image that at least 2048 x by 1152 pixels and 6 MB or less. So we will go to our slides, go to file, scroll down. Now we will go to page setup and we have to choose custom pixels. So I have done this first of all 2048 multiplied by 1152. So I will put this apply. So see, you can see now. Now I will put a background. You can put of a like beach. I will put of the beach. It's your choice to put your own. So I will go to documents, beach photo. So done. See, now I will insert a photo to Google YouTube channel banner. So I will tell you about this. The approximate desktop minimum and mobile. It is the minimum. We can add text and logo. This is desktop max, this is tablets max, and this is whole TV if you are having a smart TV. So now I will do this format. I will go to format options, adjustments, transparency. For my it is little bit. Now I will close this. If you can't see this properly, so I can do this. Now you want to put off like something of your own. I'm going to put my channels to my channels Technology Tech. So crop it till here in the box. So now we can put this easily. We have to put this in the desktop minimum and mobile minimum only. See, now I'm going to put a text box beside it. See, my text is technologies touch. So it's looking very small, so we can control A, it will be all selected. Now the increase size is 60, so you have to do this like this. Now it will come in middle. If you want, you can put color also into. The color will be transparent, but you can put black color. Text color is black also, so we can put text color as white. So you can see now. Now we will do format option of this image. We will do this whole transparent. Now you can see this. Now it's ready. Our channel logo, banner. Now we will go to file again. We will go to downloads and we will do this as PNG image. So it will be downloaded. See, downloaded. Now I will go to channel customization. I will remove this. Now I will upload. So see, you can see I have made today. You can see now. I will open and see. For mobile it is like this. For desktop it will look like this. And for whole TV, if you are watching on this TV, so it will look whole. So I will put here done. Now see, you can see. Now I will do publish. Now it will show go to channel. See, technology. See, you can see now. So my video finishes here. Thank you so much to watching this, and bye. Have a good day.